The governor of South Cotabato has tested positive for COVID-19. Governor Reynaldo Tamayo Jr. announced it in a Facebook post of the provincial government.
Mga mahal kong South Cotabateños, ikinalulungkot kong pinapaalam sa inyo na ang inyong lingkod ay tinamaan ng COVID-19.
Tamayo said he tested positive on February 19, 3 days after his exposure to a confirmed case. While recuperating, Tamayo said Vice Governor Vicente de Jesus will be the acting governor.
At dahil sa physically ay hindi ko matutugunan ang inyong mga problema at ang pagpapatakbo ng probinsya, pansamantala ko munang ipinagkakatiwala ang pagpapatakbo nito sa ating Vice Gobernador Vic de Jesus hanggang sa ako'y tuluyang gagaling at makakabalik sa serbisyo.
This is not the first time Tamayo went into isolation. In December 2020, the governor joined his 7-year-old son in a quarantine facility. The child was able to recover. Despite their close contact, Tamayo's tests were all negative.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.